Hi guys, this is Go for Agriculture channel. Today we are going to discuss Arun Katyan chapter 2, that is cropping system and pattern. First question, a type of cultivation in which the land is rotated but the crop is fixed. It is called shifting cultivation or shifting agriculture, or we can say jump cultivation or slash and burn agriculture, because cultivation of same crop on same forest land year after year. So the soil productivity is lost and it also causes soil erosion. Next question, shifting cultivation is practiced in which part of India mostly? Answer is northeastern states of India, also in Chotanagar Plateau of Jharkhand, MP and in hilly areas. Next question, a type of cultivation in which land is fixed but the crop is rotated. It is called crop rotation. Crop rotation is the reverse of land rotation. Example is rice, mustard, chili. Rice is rotated by mustard, mustard is rotated by chili. So crop rotation improves soil fertility and stabilize income. A type of agriculture in which the quantity of input is low and the output is high. This is called sustainable agriculture. The motto of sustainable agriculture is to create ecological balance. Next question, what is cropping system? Cropping pattern plus management. Cropping pattern is spatial arrangement of crops in an yearly sequence. Next question, cultivation of one crop variety alone in pure stand is called sole cropping. That is one crop, one variety. What is the difference between monocropping and sole cropping? Sole cropping is one crop, one variety. Monocropping is different varieties of one crop. Next question, what is the formula of cropping intensity? Number of crops grown in an year into 100. That is, for monocropping, number of crops grown in is 1. So 1 into 100 will be 100. But for multiple cropping or intercropping, the cropping intensity will be more than 100. Next question, growing two or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land with a definite row arrangement in a fixed row called. This is called intercropping. So example is wheat plus mustard equal to 9:1. So wheat and mustard are grown in definite row arrangement in a fixed ratio. So the cropping intensity and space dimension is achieved. Next question, cultivation of such crop which have different natural habitat and zero competition. This is called parallel cropping. So example is green gram and maize. The peak nutrient demand of green gram is 35 days after sowing, that is supplied with fertilizers or manures. But the peak nutrient demand of maize is 50 days after sowing. This is supplied by green gram. So there is a zero competition of nutrients. Next question, intercropping in which the production of both intercrops is equal to that of solid planting. This is called companion cropping. Example is mustard or potato or onion plus sugar cane. So the growing of three intercrops individually with sugar cane not affect sugar cane. Next question, cultivation of two or more than two crops of different heights simultaneously on a certain piece of land is called multi-storage cropping. So multi-storage cropping is a very different concept in which practice of different crops of varying root pattern and duration and of different heights. So for example, coconut, black pepper, cacao and pineapple. So the height of coconut is higher than cacao, pineapple, but the root pattern is more for cacao, that is 200 centimeter initially, then coconut. So this is the practice of growing different crops of varying root pattern. So next question is, a cropping pattern in which yields both crops are higher than the pure crops is called synergistic cropping. That is, pure crop means sugar cane and both crops, that is intercrop. So the intercrops yield is higher than pure crops. This is called synergistic cropping. Next question, growing of two or more crops in quick succession on same piece of land in a farming year is called sequential cropping. So sequential cropping is that one crop is grown, then it is harvested, then another crop is grown. So this is a non-overlap cropping. Next question is, growing of two or more crops simultaneously during the part of life cycle of each. It is called relay cropping. So this is the opposite of sequential cropping. Here what happens is that first crop is grown, then the second crop is planted after the first crop has reached its reproductive stage of growth, then it is ready for harvest. This is called relay cropping. This is also called overlap cropping. Next question. A farming that is to develop the Mars planet according to Earth environment. This is called terraforming. At presently, scientists are growing bacteria by creating the environmental condition of Mars on Earth. This is very important question. Next, we are going to discuss important terms and its examples. First, additive series crop intercropping. So in additive series intercropping, one crop is main crop, other crop is intercrop. So addition of intercrop to the base crop, that is, we can say addition of potato to sugar cane. So this is called additive series intercropping. Then what is replacement series intercropping? In replacement series intercropping, the row of wheat is replaced by mustard. The example is that 9 rows of wheat are grown, then the 10th row is replaced by mustard. This is called replacement series intercropping. So we had already discussed parallel cropping, companion cropping and multi-store cropping. Now we are going to discuss aeroponics. What is aeroponics? Plants are grown without soil in an aerated moisture atmosphere with small quantity of water. So in aeroponics, there is no pests and diseases. So plants are grown in clean and controlled atmosphere. It saves 98% of water, 60% of chemical fertilizer, 100% of pesticide. So this technique came into existence when American Space Agency NASA in 1997 has tried to grow pods of bean in Mir space station of Russia. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos, subscribe Go for Agriculture and follow us on Instagram Go for Agriculture. If you want PDF, then follow the Telegram link.